Hello everyone, my name is Nemanja Živković and today I'm using chesswithnarik.com to record this video. Also I want to inform you that we already published our new platform chess.ai, so you can visit it. There is a lot of new features inside, and every week we have a lot of webinars on both platforms, chesswithnarik.com and also chess.ai, so you can visit it. You can just join there to learn chess together. Also today we will discuss about this position on the board. The topic is creating weaknesses, so let's see how to continue here with white pieces. When you check this whole position, when we check pawn structure, maybe this is some type of advanced French or something similar. We have, of course, white is slightly better already. Of course, we have slightly better development. Our pieces are very solid in the center. Also pawn on e5, grab a lot of space there, and on a first glance we can see that black has a big problem with the king side, and also there is a lot of weaknesses on his dark squares there, so somewhere here, g7, f6, g5, h6, and let's see how to continue here. Of course we have few options for white right now because we have better development. If we play something like b4 to stop, let's say, very common idea here, pawn to c5 and knight to c6. If we play b4, our knight will be very strong in the center. Later we can consider queen to d2, short castle, and just with natural moves to develop our pieces, f4, f5, something like that, and we'll be better here, to be honest. But you have better option here how you can continue, and how more aggressive option, and after that it should be easier for us to play. Best option here is knight takes bishop. So knight takes bishop, they have to capture, everything is forced here, and right now very natural idea is queen to g4, but slightly better option for us is to play first h4. Why h4? Because after h4 immediately we have a threat to play h5, or first queen to g4 to put some pressure on pawn on e6, because e6 is big weakness for them, and later we can start to play h5. After knight takes bishop, pawn takes. They have big problems with these two pawns there, and we, of course, it's very natural idea for us to put some pressure on these two pawns. First of all, it's not that simple for him to play short castle, because he'll have big problem with the king side. He cannot play h5 because of course this pawn is hanging, and we wanna destabilize these two pawns there. So that's the whole idea in this position, and when we put a lot of pressure there, we can win some material there. h4, after this move also, this is not possible option, because after bishop takes pawn looks like a free pawn, but queen to g4 is coming, and after that threatens bishop, threatens pawn, and this is simple winning position. No matter what I play, at least we can collect this pawn on e6. So what should be correct option right now after h4 for them? Let's say they can play queen to d7, or maybe knight c6. After queen to d7, queen g4, and no matter how they continue there, our plan is to play h5 in next move, open up this file, put some pressure on h7 potential with our light square bishop, or also maybe, you know, to put some pressure on g6 if they if they continue with king to f7, what is also not perfect idea here, because we can open up immediately there, and after some trades we can improve our queen. If they play let's say here c5 or knight c6, the same idea, we have the same plan. First of all, we have bishop pair in this position. After some trades, queen in a game, or maybe rook takes, and after that we can put some pressure on h7. So position is very simple for white. Or yeah, if they play let's say knight c6, the same idea. So knight c6, we can also push our pawn on h5, and it will be almost the same.